Hey guys, a video on COREWEAVE. Yeah, really weird day, like across the board. It was like up, down, more than up, then tariffs, then whatever. So I need to, relook at this one. I did already change the labeling here. I changed it to WXY, still keeping this as our wave 1 in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Then a 3-wave move in W, 3-wave move in X, and then a 3-wave move in wave Y. I pulled support fips again. I already had these, I think. We tested the 0.5 fip. Here on this candle, we wicked and made an engulfing volume candle. So yeah, again, let's try to get back above the point of control of this range. We were, and then today we messed up a little bit. Gonna take it again here, and like this. This is the level we want to get above, and ideally now we don't lose this low anymore. And then from here we can focus on higher. At least try again, okay? This failed, but still makes sense, the structure like this. Looking at ORCL, this one had still more room to the downside. Like we did never reach the 1-to-1 here compared to what we had with COREWEAVE, but now we did, and here as well. How can we label this? I think it's best to label the 3-wave here, a 3-wave here with an overshoot, and then a 3-wave here. So like W, X, and then Y, all of this, okay? I mean, you could also label this as a 5-wave move. Then here again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then, we want to be bearish if we want to count it as a 5-wave move. I think this suits as well here. And now I can take new boxes. Let me first check this here. Okay, here as well, we're at the 0.5 fib. And then the W wave to the X wave brings us to the pink box. Like this. In Confluence, we did hit the 1.236. And then for the Y wave here, if I take it from this A wave to this B wave, we have got the 1-to-1 here as well. So you see there is quite a few levels here, and for this one, very similar as for COREWEAVE, it needs to try and go now, okay, next week. And I'm not sure what to expect because like today was really messy. I need to look into it in the weekend. The S&P, I want to get above this point of control here and start to break out here. It will depend on the situation with Iran. I'm just a little bit fearful for that, but I just read now that Trump wants to add 10% more tariffs worldwide. He isn't sure if paybacks will happen, I think, then to the companies or whatever. Look into it yourself, whatever he says. About Iran, there hasn't been any news, I think. No, can't find anything about Iran. But looking at just today here, I know this is the S&P, but we got the move up. Now, we want to see what price does once we reach this point of control with this fib targets here in red for this potential C wave in this potential B wave, A, B, C. If we find resistance here, catalyst potentially the Iran strikes or whatever, we will move down here one more time. but there is also a bullish case that we might break out more directly. But yeah, for that, go to the S&P videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.